Daily home sentences that we Indians often say wrong. So let's learn these sentences. First is open the TV, turn on the TV, close the fan, turn off the fan, eat medicine, take medicine, don't do noise, don't make noise. Why your face is hanging? Why do you look upset? Don't eat my brain. Don't irritate me. Fan is coming directly on me. The fan is blowing directly on me. I am having headache. I have a headache. My sleep opened. I woke up. Don't make dirty the room. Don't mess up the room. Some Indian mom sentences that they commonly say wrong. Let's fix these mistakes. Whole day mobile, mobile, mobile. You use your phone all day. First complete homework, then mobile. Finish your homework first, then use your phone. Guests are coming. Behave properly. You have guests coming over. Behave yourself. Don't answer me back. Don't talk back to me. I will beat you with slippers. Don't test my patience. Eat food properly. Eat properly. Why are you sitting like this? Sit properly. Don't put leg in every matter. Don't interfere in everything. Study with concentration. Focus on your studies. Your room looks like garbage. Your room is a mess. Now it's time for some sentences regarding to school and colleges. First is, I am weak in English. My English is weak. She is topper of the class. She is the top student in the class. I did one mistake. I made a mistake. Give me your pen once. Let me borrow your pen for a moment. My doubt is not clear. I still have a question. Sir is taking class. Sir is teaching the class. I am reading in 12th class. I am in 12th grade. Discuss about this topic. Discuss this topic. He failed in maths. He failed maths. She explained me. She explained it to me. Now, some sentences related to friendships and funny. Don't cut my call. Don't hang up on me. He is doing flirting. He is flirting. Don't do overacting. Don't be dramatic. Why are you burning? Why are you jealous? He thinks himself a hero. He thinks he is a hero. Bro, scene क्या है? Bro, what's going on? Don't expose me. Don't embarrass me. He does back bitching. He talks behind people's backs. Don't become over smart. Don't act too smart. I was just pulling your leg. I was just kidding. Now, emotional daily life sentences. My mood is off. I'm not in the mood. Don't take tension. Don't stress. I got emotional. I became emotional. You changed totally. You changed completely. I trusted you blindly. I trusted you completely. He broke my trust. He betrayed me. I cried whole night. I cried all night. I got attached too much. I got too attached. Don't show fake care. Don't pretend to care. I am broken from inside. Am emotionally broken. Office and folk are English sentences. Speak clearly, communicate professionally. Network is not coming. I don't have signal. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is cutting out. I'm reaching in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Hold the line. Stay on the line. My laptop hanged. My laptop froze. Send me fast. Send it quickly. I'm on leave today. I'm taking the day off. He is on another call only. He is already on another call. I completed my work yesterday night. I finished my work last night. I'm doing job. I have a job. Now relatable Indian English sentences. Same feeling but better English. What is your good name? What's your name? Myself, Neetu. I'm Neetu. I passed out from college. I graduated from college. I am out of station. Am out of town. He expired yesterday. He passed away yesterday. Now it's time for relationship and drama sentences. Say it better, mean it clearer. You ignored me purposely. You ignored me on purpose. He uses people emotionally. He emotionally manipulates people. She wants attention only. She just wants attention. He is a double-faced. He is two-faced. Don't fly too much. Don't get overconfident. He is acting expensive. He is acting superior. I can't tolerate this anymore. I can't put up with this anymore. She removed me from everywhere. She blocked me everywhere. He always wants sympathy. He always plays the victim. Don't show attitude. Don't act arrogant. Super common Indian translation mistakes. Because usually we Indians translate our Hindi language or our native language into English, and we make these mistakes. So let's correct our sentences. First is I am fully tired. Say I am exhausted. My mind is not working. I can't think clearly. I lost my sleep. I couldn't sleep. AC is giving cold. The AC is too cold. My BP is high. My blood pressure is high. My battery is finished. My battery is dead. Why you are laughing? Why are you laughing? I didn't knew. I didn't know. I can able to do it. I can do it. He came yesterday night. He came last night. Don't take stress. Don't stress out. I am feeling sleepy only. I'm really sleepy. He is roaming here and there. He is wandering around. She only told me. She herself told me. I know him since childhood. I've known him since childhood. My heart came in my mouth. I got really scared. He removed my happiness. He ruined my happiness. Why are you getting hyper? Why are you overacting? Today weather is too much hot. It's very hot today. Which sentence do you say daily? Comment below. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon for more such type of videos and learn English with English Journey with Neetu.